Good morning, everyone. Myself Subhashri Gupta here. I am a student of class 10th, RN Public School, Singapore, Askar. I am serving a recipe of cake which is gonna be a very special to my teachers. Let's see the recipe. Here are the ingredients: 250 gram maida, 10 tablespoon sugar, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 cup malai, 4 tablespoon ghee, 200 ml milk maid, 1 Eno packet. Then take a bowl and also take a chhanni. Put the dry ingredients in this maida, baking powder, baking soda, and last cocoa powder. Mix it well. Make sure that there will be no lumps in it. If it is not helping, then take a spoon and it will help to merge all the unmixed particles. Then transfer it to another bowl. Now add all the leftover mixtures: sugar, 4 tablespoon ghee, malai, and milk maid. Mix it well till it will be a soft, smooth dough. I have taken a small amount of milk also so that it will mix properly. Take it partly so that it will be nice enough to make. I have already mixed the batter. Make sure that there will be no lumps in this batter. Preheat the micro oven at 160 degrees Celsius. Make sure you are putting your Eno at last of that. I have already put ghee around the container. You can also take maida and sprinkle it around so that the batter will not too much sticky to this, and the cake will come out clearly. Put the batter in this. Preheated the microwave. Make sure that you have already preheated before you make before you put Eno in it. Condense it 160. Make a timer at 50. Then start. Minutes. I have taken out my cake and let it check with a toothpick. If it comes clean, then your cake is ready. After 15 minutes, you flip it to a plate so that it will comes out. Is ready. You can see that how it is looking. You can also give anyone by decorating with chocolates. And that is all. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.